Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is a complete overview of the Xiaomi's Mi Note 10, which is probably going to launch in India pretty soon, with Xiaomi officially claiming that the 108 MP is coming to India. This is that phone with the 108 megapixel camera, and it's not just this one but also the Mi Note 10 Pro. But so we are not sure whether this is coming or that or both of them, but probably the Mi Note 10 should be available in the Indian market pretty soon. So let's start with the unboxing first and check out what the phone comes with or what the box package comes with. This is the standard Glacier White variant with the 6GB RAM, 128GB storage and the Glacier White finish, while there are two other options. There's Aurora Green and Midnight Black. So three options in total. This is the white one, and as soon as you open the box package, the first thing that you see here is the phone itself, and the phone has a list of specifications, and this is the back of the phone. The back has that glass with the Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and it's kind of a gradient design again. And after the phone, there's this SIM ejector tool, a couple of booklets which include the user manual as well as the warranty booklet, and there's this transparent rubber case. After that, you see a couple of other accessories which include the 30-watt power delivery output adapter. That's the 30-watt power adapter, and also there's this USB Type-C cable. So these are the accessories, and this is the entire set of what you see in the box package. Now let's get back to the device. So talking about the phone externally, as I said, it's a Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both the front and back of the phone. So the back also is well protected from scratches or even from falls, but Gorilla Glass 5 only offers so much. And there's a Penta camera combination which deserves a separate video. So we'll be talking a lot more about the cameras after we test it out for some time. Before that, only let's quickly check out what the cameras offer. There's a 108 megapixel sensor which is coming with the quad bare technology again. So you'll be seeing 27 megapixel output images, but also you can get 108 MP images in case you want them for the future usage. And then there are two optical cameras here, one with the 12 megapixel resolution and a 2x optical zoom, other one with the 5 megapixel camera having an upscaling to 8 megapixel, but that is able to offer 5x optical zoom, and that can be taken to up to 50x zoom, but that's not optical, it's a digital zoom. And there's a wide angle camera, that's a 20 megapixel wide angle camera, which is the fourth camera. And the fifth one is a macro camera that is offered by Xiaomi here. On the front, what you see is a 6.47 inch display, which is an AMOLED display, full HD plus resolution, that's 1080 to 2340 pixels, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, 600 nits of brightness, HDR10 support, and it's an always on display. So the display actually is super powered, though it has a notch on the top, so you don't see any pop-up cameras here. It's a simple notch on the top, which is a U-shaped one, which is fine for us. I mean, I don't really see a need for the pop-up camera when you can do a good enough job with this one, and the notch doesn't really matter or doesn't annoy now. So it's a 32 megapixel camera. Again, to talk about the front camera, is a 32 megapixel camera with the f2.2 aperture, and the phone internally is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G. This same chipset was on the Redmi K20 as well. So that was a gaming phone in the mid-range pricing category. This as well is capable of good gaming, but remember, it's not a phone made for only gaming. It's the cameras that are going to be the major point here. So we'll test out the cameras, but anyway, you can wait for the gaming review that would be coming on the channel. And it runs the MIUI 11, and that is based on Android 9 Pie. It's not the Android 10 based MIUI 11, but still MIUI 11 has its own set of features which are all based on its own internal interface. Some of the things like the Android 10 based gesture navigations are going to be missed out on this one. Otherwise, whatever you see on the other MIUI devices or the other MIUI 11 devices are going to be present on this phone as well. And for the variants, we see only one for now, that's 6GB RAM and 128GB storage option, and there is no way you can expand the storage. So you have the internal storage of 128GB, and there's no option to expand the storage. So we'll check out the SIM card section here to let you know what all it offers there. So this is the SIM card tray area where you see two nano SIM card slots, and there is no micro SD card slot. So there's no hybrid slot as well, and there's no dedicated one. So you can't expand the storage. 128GB is the base, and that's what you are getting here. So in the premium lineup, usually from Xiaomi or any other brand, even OnePlus has never done that. So in that premium category, you usually don't see the micro SD cards option given here, and that is the same thing here. So you don't see an option to expand the storage. And now for the battery, which is another major feature here. So one was the Penta camera setup here. The other one is the design. For me personally, the design is quite good. The phone is pretty solid to hold in the hand. Third one is its battery, 5260 mAh battery, though we aren't sure of the endurance, how long it will last, but with the 730G platform, obviously the optimization should be well done, so it should be at least a couple of days of battery life, though I'll be using this one as my primary phone, so I'll be doing a proper review of the battery as well to see if that heavy capacity battery is able to handle things well for a couple of days. And to charge the phone again, the battery is large enough, so obviously you'll need faster charging solution or you'll have to keep it charged for hours. Here, Xiaomi has included the USB PD 30 watt output or the 30 watt charging, which is taking about only 65 minutes to charge the phone from 0 to 100, which is quite impressive. For a phone having a battery of over 5000 mAh battery, you don't need to charge it for hours when you get a 30 watt charging in that. So that's one major advantage, not just the battery capacity but also the fast charging support given in the Mi Note 10. And before we end, the phone also has the under display fingerprint sensor, and that is working quite well. You'll see another video from us about that, because this compared to the Xiaomi Mi A3's under display fingerprint sensor is much better. The Xiaomi's Mi A3 also had the same AMOLED display and the in-display fingerprint sensor. This also has the same, but this works much better and much faster in recognizing, registering, as well as the regular usage when you try to unlock the phone with that option. But there's face unlock as well. In case you're someone who doesn't want to use the in-display fingerprint sensor, you can always use face unlock for that additional security on the device. So that's it in this video. It was a quick unboxing to let you know what all comes in the box package, what the phone is able to offer, and we'll be anyway doing a full review in a few days. We'll be doing a separate camera review, so you should stay tuned for that, because that is going to be something very important. 108 megapixel captures. We'll be giving you links to the actual full resolution captures, so you can see how deeply detailed those captures are going to be, and also the 27 megapixel captures, how good are those going to be, and the 50x zoom. I mean, 5x is the optical zoom offered here, but 50x, how far can you go with 50x, and how good is going to be the quality maintained there. So that all will be showing you in the camera review that would be coming up soon on the channel. So stay tuned for those videos, and I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.